Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace Joy. Today I am going into my classroom to pack up the student belongings so that they can pick them up. I haven't been in my classroom for over close to 2 months, since mid-March, and we are almost mid-May now, so we shall see what we could see inside the classroom. So I am here in my classroom and I just haven't been here. Hey friends, so I had to refilm this a little bit. I was having like my ugly cry. So I got my composure a little bit, and this is what I am seeing in my classroom. The way that I left it in mid-March when the students went on spring break. So even before then, we were using our large hand sanitizer. Everything is still here. Bugs that I saw, she said it is like frozen in time, and it really is. We did not expect for us not to go back ever for the rest of the school year. The principal told us that we were going to go back and there will be no school closures at that point. So here, as you can see, I have a little welcome back message, and it says we were supposed to go back Monday 3/23, and I even had students who were supposed to go on their reading party for meeting their reading goal. We were going to be on Long U for our spelling words, and these were going to be our reading objectives for reading. For math, we were going into geometry and 2D shapes. So now I have a task to just take all of their belongings that are in these little cubbies, put them in bags to get ready to be picked up. Here's a little welcome flag that I have outside my classroom. It was all twisted when I got here. Here's a pile of papers that I graded, ready to return back to students whenever they got back after spring break, which I probably will try to sort them out and put them in the bags for them to pick up, along with the rest of their items inside of their cubbies. In this bin is where we kept our recess equipment, the few that we have, and then down here is where students put their lunch boxes, and I need to be sending home their science textbook, their math volume 1 and volume 2, and then they should have a couple more textbooks that they have inside of their cubbies. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started putting the student belongings together in bags. I'm gonna put my gloves on, and here we go. So for each student, I made a pile of just their folders, a pile of their textbooks, a pile for their notebooks, and a pencil case or smaller things that they might have. So on a normal school year, students are able to help kind of pack up their things to get ready to take home for the summer. But since they can't come back to the school year, all the bags that I have that I could find is this hefty ultra strong bags, just because there is a pile of like really thick textbooks that they have to take home. I did ask a couple different Targets for their paper bag ones with the handles, and both the Targets did not have any. So here's what one of my former coworkers did for her class as she packed up her student belongings. So she was able to grab a class set of the Target paper bags that have handles like these, and she put a cute note on top. And so, like I said, for me, I checked 2 different Targets at 2 different cities, They did not have any available, so I had to just use what I could find. And I know that paper bags, grocery paper bags might rip, so hopefully these hefty, ultra strong bags will work. So remember the postcards with a little gift that I was going to mail out to students, which was going to cost over $72 to mail to my 19 students. Here I'm just including them in their belonging bags to get picked up instead. Alright, so the student belongings are all packed and are in these white bags with their names and stapled right on them. I'm just going to move them, since they're all labeled, over to my front area, carpet area, and I should be good to go for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's a pretty sad day to have to pack up the student belongings, knowing that we will not be back here in this room as a class. But rest assured that the learning community and the teacher-student relationships built will go beyond these walls. Please click like and subscribe so you can see future teaching-related videos, and subscribing really does help my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified the next time I upload another video. Until next time, have courage and be kind.